What is going on, kid family? You guys already know what's going on in the world with the quarantine, with the coronavirus, and a lot of people are losing their jobs. But wait, if you're a day trader, you can trade from anywhere in this world. Like I'm trading right now in the middle of nowhere. So watch this video till the end. I'm just gonna show you and briefly explain to you, man, the opportunities where you can work from anywhere. So don't give up on life yet, guys. Keep watching this video. Guys, day trading is the best job out there. You see, the pandemic hit, people lost a ton of jobs, unemployment is through the roof, but if you're a day trader, you can still be losing money, making money, and that's okay, because you can make that money from anywhere you want. I can trade from here. I could day trade from right here. Look at this place. And I can even day trade from here. We're gonna go to the club. Anywhere. I could pretty much trade from anywhere. I could trade from anywhere. See, I can trade from here. You see, when I'm trading and making money, my workers are working hard on a deck. Oh, dude, I just locked in $3. Wait, no. It's $4 for the day. Yeah, we're going out tonight, that's for sure. So get ready, tell the boys. I can trade even from here, guys. God dang you mosquitoes! And I could even day trade from right here.
Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm day trading. Check it out. I'm up $4. Okay, now I'm down.
Say 7.
Uh-huh.
Say 7 steps.
Okay.
Equal.
I don't think I can make enough money for that kind of.
What? Hey, Greg. Greg, where you at, dude?
I'm right here.
Where?
No, dude, up here. I'm right here. I'm actually trading right now. I'm in a trade. We're making money. Here, check it out. There you go.
Wow.
Oh, you won't believe it. I just lost all my money. God damn it. Not again. Oh, God. Man, I just blew up my account again. That pretty much does it, man. I'm done, man. I'm done. I don't know what to do, man. I'm gonna